Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, wake your iPad and unlock it with your passcode or existing method. Open Settings, then tap Touch ID and passcode to start the setup process. Enter your passcode when prompted to allow changes to biometric settings. Choose to add a fingerprint for iPad unlock, Apple Pay, or App Store purchases. Place the finger on the Home button or Top button until vibration and prompts. Lift and rest the finger repeatedly as the on-screen progress circle fills. Adjust your grip when the iPad asks for the sensor to capture edges. Select Add a fingerprint and hold the iPad naturally while registering. Place the pad of your finger on the sensor, covering the glass completely. Keep the finger relaxed and still during each capture for accurate detail. When prompted, change finger position to scan outer edges and tip. Repeat until the progress reaches 100% and the iPad confirms registration. You can register up to 5 fingerprints for convenience and backup access. Name each fingerprint in Settings to remember which finger you assigned. After enrollment, use Touch ID to unlock, authorize Apple Pay, and approve purchases. Clean the sensor and dry your finger when the iPad cannot read a print. Re-register a finger or remove old fingerprints in Settings if problems persist. Disable Touch ID for Apple Pay temporarily from Settings to protect your account. If sensor hardware fails, restart the iPad and try again before seeking service. Keep iPad OS updated to improve recognition algorithms and security over time. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.